Hey everybody, so I got a quick mail call to do from Justin from the Good of the Land, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Alright everybody, so I got a letter in the mail from Justin Marot from the Good of the Land channel. So we're going to open this up and see what I got. It's a nice card. It says, "When God measures a man, the tape is placed around his heart." Roy Lesson. You got a lot of heart, brother. Just want you to know that. Truly appreciate all your support. Smile every time I read your encouraging words. Thanks. GOTL Justin, the Good of the Land. Thanks, Justin. I appreciate that. So this is a magnet. It says, "Forge your own path, the Good of the Land." And then he sent me 3 stickers. I appreciate that, Justin. I like the stickers. The deer with the flowers is really neat. I also like the magnet. The magnet's pretty cool. So I will leave a link or a card up here for you guys to go check out his channel, and I will also leave a card up here for one of his restoration videos. And I'll leave his information down in the description below, so please go check out his channel. It is the Good of the Land. Justin is a great guy. He does some awesome content. He also hangs out with Stephen Cox a lot, which is the hat I'm wearing. So I will leave the information, so please go check out his channel. I'll also leave a card up here for Stephen Cox's channel if you guys want to go check out Stephen's channel. And thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.